Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be making a card featuring exclusive scrapbook.com products. They have recently released Slimline dies and other products which I'm actually very excited about. I love to make slimline cards, so I was really excited when I see that they have the dies dedicated to that size. The paper which I'm using is also from scrapbook.com. I have chosen pretty lavender layer. The paper is 3.5 by 8.5 inch. That gives me 9 by 21.5 centimeter. My card base is slightly bigger than the paper. After adhering it, I have a really nice white border. The second layer for my card is die cut with second die in the set from Nesting Rectangles, and then I'm going to have another layer created with Moroccan background. I'm going to trim the background to make it smaller to fit into the second layer, but before that I want to add a little bit of interest to my plain white layer. I'm going to use floral confetti stencil to add little flowers on the bottom and on the top of my white layer. You can add as many flowers as you want here. I actually wanted to very delicate result. I could ink the whole paper, but I decided just to go just to do it on the top and on the bottom, and the center of the card will be white. I think that this way it will also the next layer will be more visible. To adhere that second layer, I'm using a big piece of chipboard. You can use double-sided foam tape or foam pads, or you could also stick that layer flat to the card. You know that I love dimension and layering, so I always use something between the layers. Then I'm just going to trim that Moroccan background into a funny shape, just to add more interest to my background on the card. The next step is to stamp some leaves on the vellum. I will use black ink for it, and then I will I will just do it off the camera, cut out those leaves because I will need them for the floral composition on my card. Next, I'm going to use alphabet dies to die cut For You sentiment. I will use white and black card. I'm die cutting each letter out of each color of the paper. Then I'm adhering the black letters onto the white letters, just moving them slightly so they do not overlap. This will give me a little white border on the side of each letter. So now I'm going to attach the composition to my card. I have two flowers, those stamped on vellum leaves, some pieces of lace and old ticket, some leftover from the other project, and then I'm going to have a sentiment on the bottom. Before adding the letters to the card, I'm just going to add double-sided foam tape to each letter to create the dimension between the letters and the card. I will list the products I'm using in the description box below the video, and I also want to invite you to visit scrapbook.com store and the gallery. You will find my project there and also many beautiful inspirations, many projects to see in the gallery. To finish my card, I'm going to add two little bows made with the string and then a splash of white acrylic paint. This is must step for me. Of course, you can skip it if you don't like messy cards. I'm also going to add a paint on the flowers just to blend everything together. I hope you like my video. I do love that card. I do like the fact that I created a background myself and the sentiment look just amazing. It's so contrast and looks really nice. So I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you will be back to my channel soon to watch new videos. Let me know in the comment what do you think about the card, and I hope I will inspire you to create similar card. Take care everyone, have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!